Welcome to Math Hour. As I had mentioned in my previous video where we discussed the division algorithm of polynomials, that I'll be uploading the next video on the exercise 2.3 solutions. So let's go ahead with the solutions of exercise 2.3. So our first question from exercise 2.3 is to divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So the given polynomial p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x equal to x square minus 2. So before we go ahead with the division, we have to first arrange the terms of the dividend and the divisor in the decreasing order of their degrees. So let us see if the polynomial p of x and g of x are in their standard form. Standard form means if the degrees of the terms of the polynomial are in the decreasing order. If you look into p of x, yes, they are in the decreasing order of their degrees. Even the divisor g of x is also in the decreasing order of their degrees. So let's get started with our division. So our dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. We are dividing it by x square minus 2. So take the first term of the dividend, which is x cube, which is to be divided by the first term of our divisor, which is x square. So you get x. So we write that x over here. Then the quotient x which we have written here should be multiplied with each term of the divisor. So x into x square is equal to x cube. X into minus 2 is equal to minus 2x. So we write the x term next to the x term of our dividend. So now let's subtract. X cube minus x cube will be 0. You bring down minus 3x square. Then 5x minus minus 2 will be plus 7x. Then bring minus 3 down. Minus 3. So let us see if the remainder has smaller degree than the divisor. No. So we have to continue our division. So let us see. The first term is minus 3x square. So minus 3x square divided by x square is equal to minus 3. So you write minus 3. So minus 3 into x square will be minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 2 will be plus 6. So where do you write plus 6? Next to the constants. So if you subtract them, you get minus 3x square minus minus 3x will be equal to 0. Bring down 7x minus 3 minus 6 which will be equal to minus 9. So this is the remainder that we get if we divide this p of x, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by the polynomial x square minus 2. So you can say that your quotient is equal to x minus 3 and your remainder is equal to 7x minus 9. With this, let's move on to our second problem. P of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and g of x equal to x square plus 1 minus x. So the first step, we have to check if the polynomial are given in their standard form. Let us check the dividend. Yes, p of x is given in the standard form. How about g of x? G of x is not given in the standard form. So you need to write g of x in the standard form. How will you write? It will be x square minus x plus 1. This is how you write this in the standard form. Now we can start division. So you write your dividend x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is getting divided by x square minus x plus 1. So what is the first term in your dividend? X raised to 4. X raised to 4 divided by the first term of your divisor is x square. So you get the answer x square. So you write the quotient x square. Now x square is multiplied by each term in the divisor. So x square into x square is equal to x raised to 4. X square minus x is equal to minus x cube. So where do you write that? You don't have an x cube term. So you write it separately. You write minus x cube. X square plus 1 is equal to plus x square. Now you can subtract. X raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 will be 0. Minus 3x square minus x square will be minus 4x square. Now bring 4x down plus 5. Here you can put 0x cube. So 0x cube minus minus x cube will be plus x cube. So now next highest power of x is x cube. So consider x cube. So x cube divided by x square is equal to x. So you write here in the quotient x. So x into x square will be equal to x cube. So you write that x cube over here. X into minus x will be minus x square. So you write it along with the x square term. X into 1 will be equal to x. So you write it along with the x term. Now when you subtract, you get minus 4x square minus x square will be equal to minus 3x square. 4x minus x will be equal to 3x plus 5. And this term x cube minus x cube will be 0. So next we go ahead with minus 3x square. So minus 3x square divided by x square is equal to minus 3. So you write here minus 3. Minus 3 into x square will be minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus x will be plus 3x. Minus 3 into plus 1 will be equal to minus 3. Now when you subtract, you get the minus 3x square minus minus 3x square will be 0. 3x minus 3x will again be 0. What is 5 minus minus 3? It is 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. So you get your quotient is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and your remainder is equal to 8. Now let us look into our third problem. P of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6 and g of x is equal to 2 minus x square. So let us write P of x as x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. As we don't have any x square term or x cube term, we have introduced 0x cube and 0x square for easy calculations. And next thing that we have to check is the standard form. Yes, definitely P of x is given in the standard form. How about g of x, our divisor, it's not given in the standard form. So you need to change it to the standard form. So g of x becomes minus x square plus 2. So now you can start with the division. So what is our dividend? X raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. You are dividing it by minus x square plus 2. So take the first term of your dividend, which is x raised to 4, divided by the first term in your divisor, which is minus x square. So you get minus x square. So write it as the first term of your quotient, minus x square. Minus x square into minus x square will be x raised to 4. Minus x square into 2 will be minus 2x square. Where do you write it? You write it along with your x square term. Now subtract. So what do you get? X raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 will be 0. So you don't need the x cube term. Next, x square minus 0x square minus 2x square will be 2x square minus 5x plus 6. So continue division. 2x square divided by minus x square will be 2. Be minus 2. So you write minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2x square will be 2x square. Minus 2 into plus 2 will be minus 4. Where do you write minus 4? You write it along with your constant term. So when you subtract, you get 2x square minus 2x square is 0. Bring down minus 5x. 6 minus minus 4, which is equal to 10. So now you have got the degree of your remainder less than the degree of your divisor. So here we stop our division. So quotient is equal to minus x square minus 2 and remainder is equal to minus 5x plus 10. Our next problem is to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So what is the first polynomial here? T square minus 3. So you need to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So you need to divide this polynomial by t square minus 3 and check if it is a factor. So what happens if it is a factor? You get the remainder as 0. So let us see. So our dividend will be equal to 2t to the power of 4 plus 3t to the power of 3 minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. We need to divide it by t square minus 3. So what is the first term in your dividend? 2t to the power of 4 by t square, which is equal to 2t square. So you write here 2t square. You get 2t to the power of 4 minus 3 into 2t square, which is equal to 6t square. Where do you write that 6t square? You write it below the t square term. Plus, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6t square. It will be minus 6t square. Now you can subtract. 2t to the power of 4 minus 2t to the power of 4 will be 0. Now bring down the second term, 3t cube minus 2t square minus 6t square, which will be plus 4t square. Bring down the t term, minus 9t minus 12. So now continue division. 3t cube divided by divided by t square, which is equal to 3t. So write here 3t. 3t into t square will be 3t cube. 3t into minus 3 will be minus 9t. So you write it along with the t term. If you subtract, you get 3t cube minus 3t cube will be 0. Bring down the t square term. 4t square minus 9t will be 0. Bring down the constant. So now continue division as the degree of the remainder is not less than the degree of the divisor. So 4t square divided by t square will be 4. So you can write here plus 4. 4 into t square will be 4t square. 4 into minus 3 will be minus 12. So when you subtract, you get the remainder as 0. As we can see, the remainder is left as 0. We say that t square minus 3 is a factor. It's a factor of 2t to the power of 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is how you check if a given polynomial is a factor of the other polynomial. The next problem is x square plus 3x plus 1 and 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So again, let's do the division. So our dividend is 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So let us write our dividend. 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. We are going to divide it by x square. If it is a factor, when you divide, you will get the remainder as 0. Let us see. So what is the first term? 3x to the power of 4. 3x to the power of 4 divided by x square will be equal to 3x square. So you write 3x square. 3x square into x square will be 3x to the power of 4. 3x square into 3x will be 9x cube. So you write it along with the x cube term. 3x square into 1 will be equal to 3x square. So now you subtract. 3x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4 will be 0. 5x cube minus 9x cube will be minus 4x cube. Minus 7x square minus 3x square will be minus 10x square. Bring down the x term. So you get 2x plus 2. Now continue division. Minus 4x cube divided by x square. Minus 4x cube divided by x square will be minus 4x. So you write the next term in the quotient as minus 4x. Now minus 4x into x square will be minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into plus 3x will be minus 12x square. Minus 12x square. Minus 4x into 1 will be equal to minus 4x. So when you subtract, you get minus 4x cube minus 4x cube will be equal to 0. Minus 10x square minus 12x square will be 2x square. 2x minus 4x, which will be 2x plus 4x, which is equal to plus 6x. Then you bring down 2. Now continue division. 2x square divided by x square, you get 2. So you write 2 as the next term in your quotient. 2 into x square will be 2x square. 2 into 3x will be 6x. 2 into 1 will be 2. So when you subtract, you get the remainder as 0. As you can see, the remainder is left as 0. Therefore, we say that x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Next problem is x cube minus 3x plus 1 and x to the power of 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So let us see if x cube minus 3x plus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Let us see. So our dividend is x to the power of 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1, and our divisor is x cube minus 3x plus 1. So what is the first term in your dividend? X to the power of 5. X to the power of 5 divided by x cube is equal to x square. So you write x square here. Now multiply x square into x cube. You get x to the power of 5. X square into minus 3x, which will be equal to minus 3x cube. X square into 1 will be equal to x square. Now subtract. You get x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 5 is 0. Minus 4x cube minus 3x cube, which will be minus 4x cube plus 3x cube, which will be equal to minus x cube. Next, x square minus x square will be 0. Now bring down the x term 3x and the constant. Continue division. Minus x cube divided by x cube, which will be equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into x cube will be equal to minus x cube. Minus 1 into minus 3x, which will be equal to plus 3x. Minus 1 into 1 will be equal to minus 1. So now when you subtract, you get minus x cube minus x cube is 0. 3x minus 3x will be equal to 0. 1 minus 1, which will be equal to 2. So here the remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore, x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Not a factor. Not a factor because remainder is not equal to 0. Next problem is to obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Since this is a polynomial equation of degree 4, it will have total of 4 roots. It's already given that root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are zeros of this polynomial. Therefore, we can say that x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3 is equal to 0. So you get x square minus 5 by 3 equal to 0, which is equal to 3x square minus 5 is equal to 0. So we know 3x square minus 5 equal to 0 is a factor of the given polynomial. So let us divide 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 by 3x square minus 5. What is the first term? 3x raised to 4 divided by 3x square, which will be x square. X square into 3x square will be 3x to the power of 4. Minus 5 into x square will be minus 5x square. You will write it along with the x square term. So you get minus 5x square. Now when you subtract, you get 3x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 4 is 0. Bring down the x cube term. 6x cube minus 2x square minus 5x square will be plus 3x square minus 10x minus 10x minus 5. So now take the next term, 6x cube. 6x cube divided by 3x square will be 2x. So we write here 2x. 2x into 3x square will be 6x cube. 2x into minus 5 will be minus 10x. We will write it along with the x term. So when you subtract, you get 3x square minus 10x minus 10x will be 0. Bring down 5. So 3x square divided by 3x square will be 1. So you write here plus 1. So you get here 3x square. 1 into 3x square is 3x square. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. If you subtract, you get 0. So you can say that x square plus 2x plus 1 is also a factor of the given polynomial 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So now let us factorize this. This can be written as x square plus x plus x plus 1, which is equal to x into x plus 1 plus 1 into x plus 1, which is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So, all 4 zeros of the given polynomial are, it will be minus 1, root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Fourth problem. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So, we are given the dividend. What is the dividend here? Let us consider the dividend as p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Now, let us take quotient. Quotient is equal to x minus 2. We can write q of x is equal to x minus 2. What is our remainder r of x? R of x is equal to minus 2x plus 4. We need to find g of x is equal to question mark. This is what we need to find. We need to find the divisor. We have the formula condition dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here what is your dividend? It is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, which is equal to divisor g of x into quotient is x minus 2 plus remainder is minus 2x plus 4. So now we can write x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to x minus 2 into g of x plus minus 2x plus 4. You can say x minus 2 into g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x. We take this minus 2x to this side. So plus 2x and plus 4 is also taken to the other side. So you get 2 minus 4, which is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So how do you find g of x now? We find g of x by dividing x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Let us see what do we get when you divide this. Now let us see what do we get when you divide the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. X cube divided by x is x square. So we write x square. X square into x is x cube. Minus 2 into x square is minus 2x square. So you write minus 2x square. When you subtract, you get x cube minus x cube is equal to 0. Minus 3x square minus 2x square is equal to minus x square. Now bring down 3x and the constant minus 2. So continue the division. Minus x square divided by x will be equal to minus x. So you write here minus x. Minus x into x will be equal to minus x square. Minus x into minus 2x will be equal to 2x. So now subtract. Minus x square minus x square will be equal to 0. 3x minus 2x is x. Bring down the constant. Now x divided by x, you get 1. So write here plus 1. 1 into x is equal to x. 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. When you subtract, you get the remainder as 0. So we can say that g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Now we are asked to give examples of polynomials p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm, and degree of p of x should be equal to degree of q of x. According to the division algorithm, dividend p of x and divisor g of x are two polynomials where g of x is not equal to 0. Then we can find the value of the quotient q of x and remainder r of x with the help of the formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means dividend p of x is equal to quotient g of x into the divisor g of x into quotient q of x plus the remainder r of x, where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x is less than the degree of g of x. Now let us prove the given cases as per division algorithm by taking examples. Now, degree of dividend is equal to degree of quotient only when the divisor is a constant term. Let us take an example. 4x square plus 2x plus 4 is a polynomial. We will divide it by 2. So what do you get? If you divide this polynomial by 2, you get 2x square plus x plus 2. You get 4x square plus 2x plus 4. So you get 2x square plus x plus 2. So this can be considered as the q of x. Thus you can see that the degree of the quotient is equal to the degree of our dividend. Degree of our dividend is also 2. Degree of our quotient is also 2. Hence, the division algorithm is satisfied here. Now, we need to find the polynomials that satisfy the condition degree of q of x equal to degree of r of x, for which let us take a polynomial p of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 and g of x, which is our divisor, is equal to x square minus 1. So now let us divide x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. So you get x cube by x square is equal to x. You get x cube. X into minus 1 will be minus x. So you write along with the x term. When you subtract, you get x cube minus x cube is 0. Bring down the x square term. Then x minus minus x will be equal to 2x. Bring down the constant 1. Now x square divided by x square will be equal to 1. So you get x square. 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. So when you subtract, x square minus x square will be 0. Bring down 2x. Then 1 minus minus 1 will be equal to plus 2. So now when you look into this, your remainder is 2x plus 2. That means r of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Whereas your quotient q of x is equal to x plus 1. So if you look into this, you will notice that the degree of your quotient x plus 1 is equal to the degree of your remainder 2x plus 2. So this is an example which satisfies this condition. Next one is to show a polynomial which has degree of r of x is equal to 0. So for this, let us consider a polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x square plus 2. We will divide and see what do we get. What will be our q of x and what will be our r of x. X square plus 2. So we'll divide x cube by x square. You get x. X into x square is x cube. When you subtract, x into 2 will be 2x. So you write it along with the 2x. So x cube minus x cube will be 0. Minus x square you bring down. 2x minus 2x will be 0. Bring down the constant. Now, minus x square divided by x square will be minus 1. So, minus 1 into x square is minus x square. Minus 1 into plus 2 will be equal to minus 2. So, when you subtract, you get minus x square minus minus x square is 0. Plus 3 minus minus 2, which is equal to 5. So, now you have got r of x is equal to 5 and q of x is equal to x minus 1. So, if you look at the degree of r of x, the degree of r of x is equal to 0. It has satisfied this condition. So, with that, I have come to the end of exercise 2.3. I hope you all have enjoyed my session. Please do like, share and subscribe to Math Hour for more videos. Please give me your valuable comments. Thank you.